Sing, learn, and enjoy Korean. 노래로 배우는 한국어. Learn Korean with songs. Today we'll learn the object, particle, adverb. This particle is used to mark the object of a verb. In other words, the target of an action when it combines with the verb 좋아하다. You can say 무엇을 좋아해요? What do you like? Let's learn the form. If a noun ends with the final consonant, user. If it ends without a final consonant, use. Check, 퇴근, 밥, 밥을 사과, 사과를, coffee, coffee를, 무엇을 좋아해요? What do you like? Use it to mark the object. That's how we say noun을 좋아하다.
Let's practice sentences together. 나는 책을 좋아해요. I like books. 나는 당신을 좋아해요. I like you. 나는 사과를 좋아해요. I like apples. 나는 커피를 좋아해요. I like coffee.
더 말해볼까요? 친구는 영화를 좋아해요. My friend likes movies. 누나는 꽃을 좋아해요. My older sister likes flowers.
오빠는 축구를 좋아해요. My older brother likes soccer. 저는 한국음식을 좋아해요. I like Korean food.
Then how do
We say it when we don't like something. Just use the verb Instead of 좋아하다 나는 비를 싫어해요. I don't like rain 나는 운동을 싫어해요. I don't like exercise 나는 거짓말을 싫어해요. I don't like lies if there's a final consonant. User if there's not user. They mark the object of the action을 좋아하다. 싫어하다 무엇을 좋아해요? What do you like? 무엇을 싫어해요? What don't you like? Today we learn how to use the object particular to say what we like.
The expression을 좋아하다. I hope you find many things to like in your everyday life.
And sometimes I hope you can also speak confidently about what you don't like.
Sing, learn, and enjoy Korean. 노래로 배우는 한국어. Learn Korean with songs.